In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a snake game like this one on Claude. So this snake game works with the arrow keys, and once you eat the food, you grow, and if you hit the wall, you die. So let's recreate this game on Claude. And let's send that in. Let's test it out. Okay, so what I notice here is that a snake can go through walls like this. So let's ask Claude to fix that. As you can see, it explains the code, the new modified code and the old code that caused the bug, and now we'll be able to play it. See, when it touches the wall, it's game over, and it has made this game really hard. Wait a second. I literally can't eat the food. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. The apple, or the food, whatever you want to call it, is moving around even after the game is over. So let's ask Claude about that. Okay, let's try playing this game. Oops. Okay, good. The food doesn't move around after it is game over. So now this game is complete. We have a score. We have a snake that moves around and grows when we touch the food. It's game over when the snake touches the wall. And the food stops. The whole game stops when the game is over. So this is the finished interactive snake game. I also made another modification on Vercel. It's an interactive snake maze. So I asked Vercel to create an interactive maze game with a snake to travel through the maze with WASD keys at a start and finish line. And when the snake reaches the finish line, add a victory pop-up. So this is version 1, what Vercel created when I put in this prompt. It came up with only this one level. It has a snake that moves when you press the WASD keys, and it has a start green box and a finish line, and also has a victory pop-up. But it doesn't have many levels, and it isn't very hard. So I asked it to add different levels. After the snake reaches the finish line, go to the next level, have the levels increase in difficulty, and say congratulations, you completed that certain level in the victory pop-up. So this is version 2 that Vercel came up with. This was level 1, pretty easy. And then Vercel answered me and added the level in the victory pop-up. This is level 2. As you can see, it got a little bit harder, but not that much. And then this was when AI started hallucinating. When I got to level 3, the finish line was blocked by the walls, and you couldn't get through to the finish line, thus not being able to finish the game. So I also asked Vercel about this. I asked it to add more levels because the maze game stopped at level 3 and there weren't any more levels. And I also asked to make sure that the maze walls do not block the finish line so the snake could actually reach it. So, and then this is version 3. So this is level 1, easy maze. And then level 2, as you can see, it got a little bit more difficult. And then level 3 was pretty good because, as you can see, the finish line was not blocked and my snake was able to reach the finish line. And then level 4, harder maze. And this maze game ends at level 5. And as you can see on the victory pop-up, it says finish game instead of next level. And then I also asked it to add even more levels. All the way to 10 will be good. But for this one, it only created code for me. It wasn't able to give me the preview. But that's how you create a snake game, like on Claude, and an interactive snake maze game on Vercel.